ही। वेलकम टू माय चैनल जूनियर इंग्लिश फन। दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है क्योंकि आज का टॉपिक है इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस विद क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर। दोस्तों, वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखना। अब मैं ले चलता हूँ आपको अपने प्रोजेक्टर की स्क्रीन पे। दोस्तों, मैं आ गया हूँ अपने प्रोजेक्टर की स्क्रीन पे। In today's video, we will learn Let's Speak English questions and answers for all the students, or English speaking practice with questions and answers. First, about me. First question is, what is your name? Answer, my name is Rahul. Who are you? I am a student. How old are you? I am 6 years old. Which class are you in? I am in class 4. Where do you live? I live in a small town. When do you wake up? I wake up early in the morning. Do you go to school daily? Yes, I go to school daily. What do you like to read? I like to read books. What do you like to play? I like to play with my friends. Do you respect elders? Yes, I respect elders. Do you love your parents? Yes, I love my parents. Are you a good child? Yes, I am a good child. Are you happy? Yes, I am happy. My family. How many members are in your family? There are 4 members in my family. Is your family big or small? My family is small. What does your father do? My father is a teacher. What does your mother do? My mother is a homemaker. Do you have a brother? Yes, I have one brother. Do you love your family? Yes, I love my family. Do you live together? Yes, we live together. Who cares for you? My parents cares for me. Who helps you in studies? My family helps me. Do you eat together? Yes, we eat together. Do you celebrate festivals? Yes, we celebrate together. Who teaches good habits? My family teaches good habits. Is your family happy? Yes, my family is happy. Next topic is my favorite. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. What is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is mango. What is your favorite game? My favorite game is cricket. What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is lion. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. Who is your favorite teacher? My favorite teacher is Mrs. Sharma. What is your favorite festival? My favorite festival is Diwali. What is your favorite cartoon? My favorite cartoon is Tom and Jerry. What is your favorite place? My favorite place is my home. What is your favorite toy? My favorite toy is a ball. What is your favorite book? My favorite book is a storybook. Do you like your favorite things? Yes, I like them very much. Next topic is my school. What is the name of your school? My school name is Green Valley Public School. Is your school big? Yes, my school is big. Is your school clean? Yes, my school is clean. Do you go to school every day? Yes, I go every day. Which class do you study in? I study in class 3rd. Are your teachers kind? Yes, they are kind. Do you wear uniform? Yes, I wear uniform. Does your school have a playground? Yes, it has a playground. Do you play in school? Yes, I play in school. What do you learn in school? I learn good things. Are there many classrooms? Yes, there are many classrooms. Do you love your teachers? Yes, I love my teachers. Do you love your school? Yes, I love my school. Next topic is my best friend. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Amit. Is he your classmate? Yes, he is my classmate. Is he kind? Yes, he is kind. Is he helpful? Yes, he is helpful. Do you sit together? Yes, we sit together. Do you study together? Yes, we study together. Do you play together? Yes, we play together. Does he share things? Yes, he shares things. Does he help you? Yes, he helps me. Do you go to school together? Yes, we go together. Does he respect teachers? Yes, he respects teachers. Is he a good boy? Yes, he is a good boy. Do you like your best friend? Yes, I like him very much. Next topic is my hobby. What is your hobby? My hobby is reading books. Do you like your hobby? Yes, I like my hobby. What books do you read? I read story books. When do you read books? I read in free time. Does your hobby make you happy? Yes, it makes me happy. Is your hobby good for you? Yes, it is good for me. What do you learn from books? I learn new words. Does reading increase knowledge? Yes, it increases knowledge. Where do you read books? I read books at home. When do you read books? I read books in evening. Do your parents like your hobby? Yes, they like my hobby. Is your hobby useful? Yes, my hobby is useful. Should everyone have a hobby? Yes, everyone should have a hobby. Thank you, friends. If you like this video, so like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye, friends.